In this video, I'll show you how to find any crypto wallet address on the Crypto.com app using your phone. First, open the Crypto.com app and log in. On the home screen, tap Accounts, then go to Crypto Wallet. Crypto.com's Help Center says deposit addresses are found by opening the crypto wallet for that asset and using the transfer arrow deposit flow. Now choose the coin you want, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or any other supported crypto. Tap that coin to open its details page. Then tap Transfer and choose Deposit. If the app asks you to choose a network, select the correct one, because some coins support more than one network. Crypto.com notes that different token versions may use different networks, so matching the network is important. After that, the app will show your wallet address for that crypto and usually a QR code as well. You can tap Copy to copy the address, or let someone scan the QR code if they're sending funds to you. Well, just repeat the same steps for any other coin. Accounts, crypto wallet, choose coin, transfer, deposit. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.